From the desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming September 24th trading session. In front of you, I have the euro-dollar pair. You can see that we did, in fact, on Tuesday try to break out to the upside. Just couldn't hang on to the gains, though. And as a result, have seen 129 offer resistance. A little bit of a minor support and resistance area has held true. So at this point in time, I see this market as consolidating between 128 and 129. Well, why would that be? The question is a valid one. Why are we hanging out here? When you look at the weekly chart, you can see that 128 is in fact important for a lot of different reasons. It's been supportive in the past, and it is the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, as well as a large round psychologically significant number. So because of that, I think we're going to play small ball for a while, meaning that I'm probably going to continue to short small rallies as long as we stay under 130. If we can close below 128 on a daily close, I think we could drop all the way back down to 120. Pretty significant move lower at that point. So I think we are winding up for something interesting. In the meantime, though, I'm going to stick to the small charts, 4 hours, maybe an hourly, something like that. If we get a little bit of a pop from here, I'm willing to sell. If we break above 130, then all of a sudden I think that you have to really start to take into account 132 being the next area of resistance. But right now, with a hammer and then a shooting star with a downtrend, I think we're going to probably see very small movements with a slightly downward bias in what would otherwise be considered a sideways market. If it wasn't for the aforementioned 61.8% Fibonacci retracement and the 128 level being so obviously supportive, I probably would go ahead and start shorting with a fairly wide stop. But knowing that that's there, I recognize that we could have a choppy few sessions, and as a result, I am going to play it a little bit safer and look for resistive candles on shorter time frames to at least get a little bit better entry after small rallies.